Gaurang Modi, and I'm MD of Sahjanand Infratech Private Limited. I'm just telling you about the Sahjanand Infratech Private Limited. SIPL is our brand name. We are working on branding SIPL. And we are in production of EOT cranes, prefab buildings, and all the material handling solutions. And by us, customer can get all the turnkey solution, like from PEB structure to EOT cranes. So they can get a single lock and key solution for material handling as well as infrastructure solution. Our prime customers are MG Motor, Seat Tire, ONGC, then Crompton Greaves, L&T, this Bullet Train projects, then MG Motors. These are our prime customer, and we are working in a pan-India basis. Our customer segments spread to the all over India, and in future we are working right now from Vadodara. In future we want to expand our marketing office to Ahmedabad as well as Valsad, Vapi, then in MP also. See, since we have been participating since last 3 years in Engineering Expo, where we get a single platform, we can meet n number of customer face to faces. In Expo stall, our customer can visit, our target audience can visit how our product, what is our product, how we are working, and they can get a direct display of our product by this Engineering Expo platform. And we are getting good customer, footprint is nice. Expo, this means event agency is working very hard and promoting it, and ultimately we are getting good footprint. That is the ultimate goal of promotion.